The ruling today was a good one for a smiling Pila Niningi, the Attorney General. One could see it from his beaming smile, and he admitted this is the happiest day he is facing the media. The judges Segib Salika, David Cannings, Les Gavarananu and Panuel Mogis upheld 2 of the 7 grounds raised by lawyers for the Attorney General. Only Justice Derek Hudson dissented, and so majority rules and the Supreme Court reference is dismissed with cost to the opposition. The decision read by Segib Salika for 20 minutes fairly much ruled that breaches of parliamentary standing orders are non-justiciable, meaning courts cannot interfere as they are not constitutional matters. The jurisdiction of the court should be invoked properly, and that extends the other point that a procedure in parliament breached should be pleaded well with a constitution. Justice Les Gavarananu in some additional points said the opposition failed to plead and depose matters of facts on the Constitution or responding to grounds of objection. They relied heavily on the previous case of Don Polia and Theo Zurenuok. He said each case must be based on its own merits. Outside of court, a relieved Attorney General said they have to go back to Parliament and test the numbers.
I want to tell members of Parliament that matters we decided to go. We could have resolved ourselves, but we decided to go to court. Let court finish all the matters, and then Parliament will take on. I think that is very bad for Parliament. Parliament to invoke jurisdiction of Supreme Court when we can do it. You run away from your job and the constitutional duty, and then you tell them courts to come and help us. Courts will not substitute numbers. Courts is there to interpret the law. And this is the way the opposition considers that they will come to court and court will give them numbers. Next thing is we go on the 2nd of September.
The opposition leader says they respect and accept the Supreme Court's decision, but their mission is not over.
However, the courts have their own views, and they've made that decision. We respect that decision, and we look forward to September 3 Parliament session. Thank you.
Elias Nanau, NBC National News, Port Moresby.